Today I am explaining about the Newton's law of cooling statement. Newton's law of cooling states that the rate of heat loss of a body is proportional to the difference in the temperature between body and surroundings. Temperature is inversely proportional to the time. The graph shows the time is inversely proportional, temperature is inversely proportional to the time. We have to prove T2 is equals to T1 plus e power minus kt c dash. The equation for the Newton's law of cooling is minus dq by dt is directly proportional to the T2 minus T1. Minus dq by dt is equals to, here the proportionality k is a proportionality constant, T2 minus T1. dq by dt is equals to minus, here came minus k into T2 minus T1. It is equation 1. Q is equals to heat energy. C is equals to specific heat capacity. M is equals to mass. dt is equals to change in temperature. The heat energy had three factors: mass, M, nature of specific heat capacity, C, temperature, dt. The combined equation is Q is equals to mc dt. Here we are differentiating with the heat energy dq by dt. Here we are differentiating on both sides with respect to time. dq by dt is equals to mc into dt by dt. Equation 2. From 1 and 2 equations, minus k T2 minus T1 and mc dt by dt is equals to 1 and 2 equations are minus k, we are placing here, mc here came, and dt multiplied here, T2 minus dt by T2 minus T1. The temperature will, we bought all the temperature terms here, dt by T2 minus T1 and minus k dt by dt, integrating on both sides, integration of 1 by T2 minus T1 into dt is equals to integration of minus k by mc into dt. We know that the formula integration of 1 by x dx is equals to log mod x into base e. Log e, integration of 1 by x into log x, log into T2 minus T1 is equals to minus k mc in an integration of d with respect to time, integration of dt is t. Log e into T2 minus T1 is equals to minus k into t by mc plus c. We have to write constant with for end. T2 minus T1 is equals to, here logarithm term will get a exponential form, e into minus kt by mc plus c. T2 minus T1 is equals to e power minus kt plus c. The capital K we can take minus k by mc. T2, T1 value we bought here, e into k minus kt plus c plus T1. T2 is equals to T1 into e power minus kt plus c. We have multiplied here term, T2 is equals to T1 plus e power minus kt into ec, we can simply write here c dash. Hope you understand this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.